All right, so today normally I do shoe reviews, but I wanted to talk a little bit about these RTIC coolers. I decided to get both temporarily to try them out. Not necessarily for function to like actually use, but to see which one would be more functional for a daily lunchbox, that kind of thing. Maybe a little bit of short trips to the park or whatever. So after getting these two, I'm pleasantly surprised on how big they are. And this is plenty of room for a lunchbox. I will show you how they handle a 24 ounce water bottle. Just kind of give you a comparison to an item you might want to stick in your cooler. Initially when I got these, the zipper was really tight. I'm not sure if it's just because I'm used to it or not, but definitely seems to have relaxed a little bit and made it easier. They do give you lubrication for the zipper, which I have not used yet, so I'll do a demonstration of how that is. I did see how the zippers fall apart on these, and the pull tab here has broken on some of them. I don't feel like the pull tab on this would break that easily. Maybe it might have been a faulty one, but let's dive on into this one, and then I'll explain the differences in my opinion. So as you can see, it's a little bit difficult to open up. It's not excessively hard, but it's not like not as easy as you would imagine a zipper should be. I do like the orange and the blue interior of these. They're really nice. That was a little bit more stiff to open than this one is, but they're going to give you the lube for a reason. Anyhow, so just to kind of compare how this one would fit in here and the minimal air, the room, I guess you would say. You can't stand it up, you can't lay it down like this, obviously like that, but you can, if you wanted to, lay it down, I guess, at an angle. I'm not sure you can see that. This one, however, you can stick it inside like this. You cannot stick it in like this because this is too thick. So I'm not sure if you would have any reason to use the cooler for this, but you could. I am going to be setting this one back because it is too small for any of the needs that I would want to use a cooler like that for, and it's too big for the reason why I want to use this one. I got this primarily for a lunchbox, so I wanted to just stick Tupperware in there, a few Gatorades, maybe snacks, and I think that this is plenty of room for what I want that for. They were on sale, so I decided to pull the trigger on them and try them out. But this one's definitely bigger than I anticipated it being. I can definitely say that you probably could fit maybe 7-8 cans in there with ice. I would say about a quarter of this should be ice to keep them cold, but I haven't done a cold test on these. I have seen videos of that, and they seem to do a good job of keeping things cold. So yeah, the only issue that I feel like could be an issue is that the liner on these tend to be a little bit more plasticky. As you can hear that, than I would have anticipated. I would have rather them being a little bit more silicone-like, a little less fragile, more pliable. But the one I seen had water between the liners on the inside, and maybe that might have been a faulty one. I don't know. And the zippers also, I've heard, have gone bad on these. So as far as I can tell right now, they don't seem like that's an issue. But let's see, the only thing I want to see if it gets better is this is really, really stiff. So like, I don't know if you can hear that. That's just without even using inside of it. So maybe if I I don't know, tie a rope around it or whatever, maybe it'll become a little less springy and stay shut easily. But besides that, the handles feel really soft and plush, and the shoulder strap feels like it'd be way more padded than you would need for a cooler this size, and they feel durable. So besides that, they're pretty light. I'm happy with them, and this is just comparable to see what the 20 versus 12 can one looks like. So we got the 12 can and the 20 can. So yeah, hopefully this helps you make a decision on what you want and what you're gonna use it for. I personally am gonna keep this for a lunchbox, and if I'm gonna get a bigger one, I'll probably get the 30 or something like the 40, somewhere around there for outdoors. But like if it's just you, honestly, I think that if you want to bring 12 beers with you, I don't think you're gonna fit 12 in there comfortably. Maybe somewhere around 10 to 8, comfortably with ice. But again, I haven't filled these up with ice, but as a comparison to the 22 ounce, 24 ounce water bottle, it should give you an idea of what these things can hold. So yeah, well, hopefully this helped, and thank you for watching.